Hi, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to talk about using Yalabo EasyTEMP software with your MAGIO. There are three possibilities for connecting the MAGIO to EasyTEMP. The first is the Ethernet connection on the rear of the MAGIO. The second is the USB Type B interface. And the third would be your RS-232 interface or serial interface. So first we're going to set up the device in EasyTEMP. So you go to the Devices, Config Devices, Add Device, and you'll notice in the drop-down menu you have circulators MAGIO, MS, MX. Currently I have the USB connection connected. It shows up as a serial connection with a COM11. You would want to name your device. Then click Use Selection. Click OK, and it brings up a device control window. Tells you that it's online, shows you what the set point is, the internal temperature. If there was an external temperature sensor connected, it would show that. Shows you the power percentage that it's currently using. And if it's in remote control mode, you can select between internal and external control from here, as well as start and stop the device. So once you have the device set up on your EasyTEMP, you'll want to configure the curves so that you can graph. You do that under the View menu, Configure Curves. And if you right-click in the graph, it'll have Add Curves from Unit. You click on your unit, and it will automatically populate all of the values and curves. Click OK, and now you have all the values up here, as well as color codes for the lines that will be appearing on the graph. In order to use the Ethernet connection, you'll want to connect your MAGIO to your Ethernet. Go into the Connect Unit menu, select the interfaces, and you're going to want to get the IP address off of the Ethernet. Now, the default is to obtain an IP address using your Ethernet connection. In this case, the IP address is 192.168.2.131. You're going to need to know that to enter it in EasyTEMP. Connect your MAGIO to EasyTEMP using the Ethernet, you'll go under Devices, Config Devices, Add Device, select the MAGIO MS MX from the drop-down list, but in this case you're going to change the connection to Ethernet. It's going to ask you for the IP address. And again, you will want to name Use Selection, OK. And again, it's going to bring up a device window, show you that it's online, show you the set point, the internal temperature. If there was an external sensor connected, it would show you that, and the power percentage. Next, you would need to select your remote control, whether it's serial, USB, or Ethernet, to have it control via the EasyTEMP software. And that's how you would connect your MAGIO circulator to EasyTEMP using either the Ethernet, the USB, or the serial connection. Thank you for watching.